All right, so I guess we're going to start like a new first round losing tradition. Every time we lose first round, I'm just going to go ahead and race Turbo John in a grudge race. And he went a couple rounds, and his new car, he's starting to get it, you know, it's a little more sorted out. It's not anywhere where he wants to be, it sounds like, obviously, but he's getting there, and it just takes laps. And, you know, if he goes down and makes the pass he sounds like he's been making, and I go down, it should be a pretty good race. So neither of us are quite where we want to be yet, but it'll be like a very good race just to get some more testing in before we come back in July and just have a little bit of fun with it.
Oh, this is a rematch.
Run out and back him up.
Oh boy,
Okay.
I'm concerned. So now I'm 0-1 against the MAK, especially the gap train. So I hope it's not going to be 0-2. But if it is, it's okay. Got us a nice little friendly grudge race. Look, he's going to be ready. And I'm like, look, how are you?
I don't know.
Hey Adam, be careful.
You too, brother.
Do you want to go in first or second?
I'll go in first.
Okay, that's fine. I am going to bump.
Take it easy on me now.
Dude, can I get the brake? What about the clear? Grudge race terms. Give me everything in drag racing.
By the brake, you mean you're on the foot brake.
All right, I told John take it easy on me. He owes me one, so it should be a pretty good race.
Could have been first round. Adam just wants the attention of losing the first round, then gaining all of his credibility back in the grudge race.
It's almost like he's just letting all of us play while he sits out, and then after everybody's done, he just goes out and knocks off the helmet. So.
Dude, I told John when I got out, he owes me a ass whooping, and it's probably going to come when it matters. Like, I keep getting lucky on these hero runs, but when we go actually draw each other in a round, I feel like that's when he's going to get my ass.
Man, it's just the gap train living up to its name. Look, it ain't nothing worse. Look, I pulled up there, and everybody on my side was going, gap train.
Oh, dude.
I'm like, what?
Well, come on. They didn't know how good you were. I mean, I thought we'd be really, really close. And if you would have went as fast you did earlier,
I shouldn't have turned it up.
We would have been like, it would have been this.
I think you'd have still outrun me by a 10th. But it wouldn't have been like,
right, we would have been with you. It would have been a hell of a good race. And that's what I was hoping we were going to get. It was nose to nose.
It was like bustling.
6 callers ahead of us, Jimmy.
Gap train from a bustling.
Shoot.
Hey, it's fun.
I know we have to make it like now that every time I lose first round or you go out early, we're just gonna have to grudge race at the end and just
I'm
stack
down.
them up.
Let's do it. It's data.
Data's
It's fun.
king.
It's YouTube footage.
Exactly.
Everybody likes to see us race and have a good time.
Turbo John on YouTube. I mentioned it early this time, the right time. Go visit him and his wife, Drag Racer's wife.
Yeah, we're having a good time, man. This is fun. I'm glad y'all come down. Where y'all going next?
So we got a lot of local stuff.
Oh,
next.
nice.
So we're going to do a test and tune at our local track next week in Muncie, and then the following week we race. Friday is our race, and then it's really badass. We go an hour and a half north. Milan has a backward track on Saturday. We go another 2 hours west, and there's a Mentone airport race on Sunday. So it's like a trifecta, dude. We're going to hit all three in the weekend. So
Well, good luck, sir. I'm sure y'all will do fantastic.
Yes,
y'all kill them with the MAK compound. I mean, y'all killing it, man. I love watching y'all.
We're trying.
It's good racing with you guys.
You too, brother.
Yes, sir.
Well, we got a chance to make another pass, get some more data. Trevor Whitaker wanted to know if we won a grudge race, and we ain't never going to turn a test hit down, especially when you're a test hit hero. So we're going to get out here, turned up a little bit more, try to go a little bit faster and see if it'll take it. Last pass was good, so if it takes this one, I think we'll be closer to the guys, the rest of the group on speed. So see what happens. A car, I'd say. Yep, about a car. So
It was a good run.
it was good for sure. It's just good to get another race, to get some more data and figure some more stuff out. So
Yeah, I think we both was throwing darts at that one.
yeah, I was like, let's see if it'll take some more.
Changing some stuff.
Yeah, no, that's good, man. I'm glad they kind of let us do that between rounds. You know?
Oh, yeah.
Like we drove a long ways, and it sucks when you go out first round. It's cool to be able to get at least a couple more hits and whatnot. So that's always fun racing other guys.